Hi, I'm Drew, and that's Bethany.
We're in Encinitas to check out a pair of homes that seem to be a little out of place.
We're also going to take a closer look at a couple of boats that have spent more time on land than at sea.
Actually, they're the same thing.
Oh, the boats?
The boats and the houses, they're boat houses.
Boat houses. Okay, we better sort this out. It's the Encinitas boat houses coming up on Oddity Odysseys.
So we are in Encinitas.
We are.
Oh, that's so cute. Everything is cute in Encinitas.
From the 5 freeway, exit at Encinitas Boulevard and head west. Turn left on Highway 101. Then when you reach West F Street, turn right and a few blocks down, make a left on 3rd Street. The address is 726 and 732 3rd Street.
Turn on F Street.
Hey, it's F Street.
Oh, good. Turn left.
Oh my gosh, look.
Oh, hey! There they are.
Pulling over.
Oh, gosh.
Or rather, docking with the curb.
So you can probably see the boathouses from historic Highway 101, but us being us, we're walking down 3rd Street to take a closer look.
They're not actually seaworthy boats, right? But they are houses.
Right, so the SS Encinitas and the SS Moonlight, which are right there, they came up really fast on 3rd Street.
Yeah, surprise.
Yeah, these are actually constructed from recycled materials to form the shape of boats, but they've only ever been dry land living spaces.
Ah.
They're so cute.
They're even moored on like a boat would be if it was in dry dock.
Yeah, that's amazing. I mean, I would live in there.
Well, I might Airbnb at one of these, but I don't know if I'd live here.
I don't know, we haven't seen the inside yet. Give it a chance.
That's true. I'll give it a chance. You know, these are inspiring me to want to go home and build one of my own.
Yeah, I imagine they caused quite the stir when they were first built in the neighborhood.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not sure I have the architectural prowess to be able to put something like this together. But Miles Kellogg, the architect and builder of these 2 boats, started his work in the 1920s.
So they've been around for a while.
Yeah. Miles Minor Kellogg was an apartment building owner and inventor with a knack for transforming scrap metal into new structures.
Combining his adoration for the open sea and finding new uses for recycled materials, Kellogg began to build the boathouses. With the assistance of his young son Miles, Kellogg constructed the homes that were completed by 1928. Think we can get inside?
Well, we're supposed to meet Nicole, who's going to tell us a little bit more about these structures. And I think she's pulling up right now.
So we're here with Nicole of the Boathouses. And Nicole, what's your endeavor in all of this?
So I am the current president of the Encinitas Preservation Association, and we own the boathouses.
These 2 guys right here that we're walking in between.
Yeah.
So are you guys trying to preserve the state that they're in now, or any reconstructions that need to be made on the boathouses?
Yeah, so because of COVID, we had some trouble with our financing and things like that. So we're trying to raise some money for their preservation, especially the water leakage problem. We had a lot of rain recently, so we're trying to shore them up a little bit. We just want to preserve them for times to come.
And they have been around since the 1920s, which is impressive. Like, I'm seeing that. Okay, I really want to go inside there. Do you see that window there? Have you ever had any issues with anybody trying to get rid of the boathouses in your experience? Has anyone been like, they need to go so we can build newer apartments?
In 2008, I believe, the boathouses were threatened to be sold, and once historic buildings are sold, usually they get moved out for bigger and better things. So the Encinitas Preservation Association was formed to buy the boathouses, so that's kind of our main mission statement, is their preservation. So our main goal is to be stewards of the boathouses in perpetuity, and then it kind of just keeps going on. So it's not like one person owns them.
Right, so there are renters that live here,
yes,
right?
There are 2 renters that live here.
That would be really cool to live here. Do they each kind of decorate in their own way for each
like
tenant?
the inside is whatever they want to do with it, you know? So most nationally registered buildings are just the outside. Because we own them, we can kind of dictate, you know, you can't knock out a wall or anything. But yeah, if you want to decorate in whatever way possible, whatever style.
A little bit of both. Someone's
Why
coming
not?
in.
Somebody coming in?
Oh, someone else just pulled up. Is it a resident?
Hi, Dana.
So Dana, the resident, was awesome enough to let us come in and take a quick tour here of her home.
Yeah, we were being weird stalkers on the street and she let us in.
Exactly. So this would be the living room, and look at this kitchen. This is so cool. We got a skylight coming in here. I really love the vibe.
I feel like there's a lot of good space in here.
Yeah.
And I love the windows.
Yeah, and the windows are all these round portals, and they go all the way down the length of the boat, it looks like. The floors aren't perfectly even. It's a little like being on the ocean. When you walk by, it's not all flat, it's fluid.
So you did get some of the boat experience.
Yeah. All right, we're heading up. Very narrow flight of steps.
So we're going up to the second level of the boathouse.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
What is this? This is like a patio?
Area. Yeah, this is a patio. But here we go, a nice seating area. Okay, insert all of our bad boat puns here.
And after that, we could take a bow.
And Encinitas. There you go.
Encinitas. Oh, here's the top of the kitchen here.
Oh, hey!
So that could be opened, and you could climb up and down that ladder if you wanted.
Yeah,
but it looks like she's chosen not to go that route.
Yeah. We are disrupting the neighborhood, guys.
As usual. All right.
This is cool. This is awesome.
Oh, look, you can go in the back door here.
Oh, okay, so we didn't have to go around. So what's in here? We have a room.
Uh-huh.
I love the windows. This is amazing.
Yeah, the windows go all the way around. It's like a veranda almost.
This is a lot bigger than I thought it would be on the inside.
Yeah.
So there are actually 2 bathrooms on the
There's one up
boathouse.
here,
I've seen
too?
one upstairs and one downstairs.
Oh, wow.
That's a lot. That's great.
This is a huge space.
Very, very cozy. And I love the portholes. So you could have one person in here or a couple people living here.
Mm-hmm.
And it would be a great
Comfortably,
fit
yeah.
either way. Hello, baby.
Puppy, what's it like living here, puppy? Oh, you just got a bed there, don't ya?
These look amazing, and I really hope that you guys get all the funding that you need just to kind of continue this, because this is an important part of Encinitas, and you can't find this anywhere else. At least I don't think you can. I haven't seen anything else like this before.
These are unique in that time period of the 20s that was really popular. It's very like whimsical. So I think people could build this now, but it wouldn't quite have like the 1920s charm that these do. I would say it's almost just like living in a house, but living in a boat.
The boathouse, right?
The boathouse.
The Encinitas boathouses are quite a sight to behold and well worth the stroll down this street. But please remember, they are private residences.
That's right. If you're interested in taking a tour, check out the Encinitas Guided Downtown Walking Tour. We'll put a link to the Society's website down in the description.
Thank you for all your support, and we'll see you guys on the next one. I don't know any boat lingo. They always say like ahoy matey or something. Is that?
Yeah.
Can I just shout
That's,
that?
that's boat lingo. Ahoy, matey.
I don't know. I don't.
God, if she was ever on anybody's boat, she'd be thrown overboard.